Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up Google Analytics for your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging into your account successfully and opening up your website, it's going to open up this main page right here where the left side screen. You can take a look at all the options you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started setting up Google Analytics. It's very easy and it will only take you a couple of clicks. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to find the settings option. Once you have opened up the settings option guys, it's going to open up a lot of options right here. These are all the options that you can go ahead and use. First, you want to make sure that your hosting enables you to set up hosting. That allows you to use Google Analytics. And once you have opened up the hosting features and set everything up, now you can go into tools. In the tools section, we can go into marketing. Click on marketing. Once you have opened up marketing guys, this is now going to open up this new marketing page where you can take a look at all the marketing applications. We want to open up the traffic tab right here at the top of the screen. Clicking the traffic tab, as you can see, after opening it up, now we can scroll down and find the Google Analytics option right here guys. That's going to enable us to connect your site to Google Analytics in seconds just by connecting and logging in. So once you have logged in guys, it's automatically going to connect with Google Analytics and you'll be able to track everything, set up ads, and so on. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.